Hey guys, and welcome back. Next section we're going to look at is competition. First one we looked at was high traffic, and this is if you don't really care that much about competition. I'd say that cautiously, because we should all care about competition, but these are all pre-selected under 100,000, so you should be okay on competition. So if you're going after the main traffic. Now, if you're new to internet marketing, or like me, you want to get quick access and hit the top 10 Google rankings really quick, I tend to focus on the lowest competition level. This is a guide, as I mentioned in the very first video of the lessons. This is just a guide to what the competition is going to be like. You could have something with as low as 15,000 competing pages, yet the top 10 is super hard. And I would imagine this one could be one of those examples. Highly likely that the number one spot is already taken by Oric vacuum cleaners. Likely the manufacturer Oric has the number one spot taken. But number two, number three, number four, etc., could be totally open for you to grab that keyword and get the traffic from the number two spot. Okay. So, how do we sort for SEO competition? Exactly the same way as we did for the searches section. Just going to scroll over a bit, get this over here. Okay, so we'd click on data, sort, click down, yes, use SEO competition. Okay, difference being this time we want it in ascending, because we want the keywords with the lowest pages as competition pages at the top, so we select ascending. Again, quick recap, if you're not seeing these headers in there, click at options, range contains column labels, make sure that's got a tick in it. Okay, and click OK. Automatically sorts it, which is great. Make sure you're at the top of the page. So go down this list now, you can quickly see which ones should be the easiest competition. Okay. Again, should be publishing hopefully end of this week the top 10 competition bit. I'm doing a bit of work on that one to make it extra easy for you. Okay, so if we go down the keyword list here, you're now sorting through your keyword list, trying to pick the ones out which have got the easiest competition to start off with. Okay, so we've ranked them by number. Now, if you don't really care what keywords you're going to build your business on, I suggest you do, but if you don't, you could look through this list now and go, you know what, color laser printer review, I can get somebody to write an article on color laser printers, 3 or 4 pages, I can chuck that up, I can get Amazon to put in a few articles for Amazon as far as laser printers for sale, throw in some AdSense campaigns on the side of that, possibly do a couple of books on there, quick ebooks on there on how to select laser printers, to build a list on those kind of things, and start off with those. You could then add extra pages to that as we go through other bits as far as other keywords. For example, somebody picking a color laser printer could also be interested in a 5 megapixel digital camera, as we see down here. So you might start with that one and then you might throw in that one as well. Okay, and that's as easy as it gets. Quick word of warning to check through. Make sure your title competition's low as well. In the case of laser color printer, there's 12,000 competing pages for it. There's only 2,000 pages competing for it with title. Again, this is a good indication that it's super easy. Okay. For something like retractable dog leash, there's only 28,000 competition, but be warned, there's 211 sites of it in the title. That could be a harder site to go after. Okay, so just use these as indicators for what you're going after. Final thing to say, keep your eyes out for my video section on top 10 competition. That's really important. The amount of times I find I've tried to pre-sort through these keywords to make sure they're low competition and you can definitely rank in the top 10 for them. But you need to if you're going to put money and time behind these keywords, you need to educate yourself on how difficult the top 10 is going to be. There's going to be a video coming up on this one, and trust me, that's really super valuable. You guys as members are going to get it for free, but that's definitely worth about $39 plus as a quick training video. I'm going to show you how to do really quick and easy top 10 analysis for your keywords, so you know exactly how many backlinks you need to build, etc. For now though, this is a quick guide as far as how these work. Next section we're going to look at is value. Okay, so if you go on to the next video below, we're going to go through